Welcome back, student. I am Santosh Misra, your account teacher, and we are studying the chapter subsidiary book. In subsidiary book, we have already covered the cash books, purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, and now today we will study about the sales return book. What is sales return book? Sales return book or sales return journal. So another name of sales return book is sales return journal. So when a businessman sold the goods to the customer and customer comes and want to return the goods, at that time if goods are sold on the credit basis and customer want to return it, it is recorded in the sales return book. It is recorded in the sales return book. This book is also known as the return inward book. Return inward book means goods are coming in the business. That's why we call it return inward book. Okay. So this book is used to record the return of such goods as were sold to customer, जो कस्टमर को बेच दिया गया था on credit basis. If businessman sold the goods to the customer on cash basis, it will recorded in the cash book, and the return of that good which was sold on the cash basis also recorded in the cash book. But if goods are sold on the credit basis, it should be recorded in the sales return book. It must be recorded in the sales return book. So this book is also known as the return inward book. When the goods are received back, a credit note is prepared in duplicate. In purchase return book, in the same way, if we are purchasing any goods and we want to return it, generally we prepare a debit note. That's the supplier, listen, your account has been debited. आपका अकाउंट डेबिट कर दिया गया है क्योंकि हमने गुड्स को जो परचेस किया था उसको रिटर्न कर दिया. उस केस में हम डेबिट नोट बनाते थे. इफ customer return goods to us, then it is called sales return. And if sales return occurs or happens, at that time credit note will be prepared. Credit note means your account, suppose that what is the entry of the sale on the credit basis. If we sold goods to the customer on credit basis, then entry will customer account debit, you can say debtor account debit to sales account, to output CGST, to output SGST. If customer wants to return the goods, at that time sales return account debit, output CGST debit, output SGST debit, you can say output IGST debit to customer or to debtor. So when the customer returned the goods, in journal entry his or her account should be credited. That's why we prepare the credit note, and this note is prepared in duplicate, and original copy of the same is sent to the party from whom goods were received. जिससे गुड्स हमको मिल रहा है, मतलब जो मेरा कस्टमर है उसको हम वो कॉपी भेजते हैं. इट इज़ द सोर्स डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर अस फॉर रिकॉर्डिंग द सेल्स रिटर्न, फॉर रिकॉर्डिंग द सेल्स रिटर्न बुक. एंड ऑल क्रेडिट नोट इज सीरियली नंबर्ड, and each credit note is serially numbered and dated. So a credit note contains detail relating to the name of customer, detail of goods received back, and the amount of return. This note is called a credit note because the party's account from whom the goods are received back is credited with the amount written in the note. I hope you all are understanding the concept, and this is the main concept. And the same note is called debit note by the party who is returning the goods, because that party will use this note for debiting the account of the party to whom it has returned the goods. तो जो जिसने परचेस किया था उसके लिए परचेस रिटर्न, हमने सेल किया था हमारे लिए सेल्स रिटर्न, वो हमको डेबिट करेगा क्योंकि उसकी लायबिलिटी कम हो रही है. इफ लायबिलिटी इज रिड्यूसिंग, द अकाउंट शुड बी डेबिटेड. एंड हमारा एसेट डिक्रीज कर रहा है, और एसेट इज डिक्रीजिंग. डेटर डिक्रीज कर रहा है, डेटर इज अ एसेट, एंड व्हेन एसेट इज डिक्रीजिंग इट शुड बी क्रेडिटेड. देन दिस इज क्रेडिट नोट फॉर अस बिकॉज वी आर सेलर, एंड फॉर द परचेजर it is debit note. Okay, duplicate copy of the credit note sent to the party become a source document on the basis of which the entries are recorded in the sales return book. It is a source document. आप कोई भी एंट्री किसी भी बुक में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, आपको सोर्स डॉक्यूमेंट की जरूरत होती है, आपको वाउचर की जरूरत होती है, ताकि इन फ्यूचर जब कभी भी ऑडिट हो तो आप उन सारे बुक को उसका रेफरेंस दे सकें, उन बिल का रेफरेंस दे सकें. तो बिल एक फाइल में कलेक्ट करके रखी जाती है. अ क्रेडिट नोट इज आल्सो सेंट व्हेन अ सेल्स इनवॉइस इज ओवरचार्ज. देयर आर सो मेनी रीजन, नॉट ओनली द सेल्स रिटर्न पर्पस we will make the credit note. There are other reason for creating the credit note. A credit note is also sent when a sales invoice is overcharged. सेल्स इनवॉइस में ज़्यादा पैसा हो गया है, तो भाई हम बोलेंगे ना कि देखो तुमने इनवॉइस में ज़्यादा चार्ज कर दिया, भाई अब इसको क्या करो, कम करो, हमको ज़्यादा से तुमने डेटर बना दिया है, हमको क्रेडिट करो. तो वो क्रेडिट नोट हमको इशू करेगा. और अ सेल्स इनवॉइस इज ओवर कॉस्ट. ओवर कॉस्ट मतलब ज़्यादा टोटल हो गया है, टोटलिंग ज़्यादा हो गई है. फिगर तो सब कुछ सही लिखे हैं लेकिन उसका टोटल ज़्यादा कर दिया. तो अब भाई टोटल ज़्यादा कर दिया तो जो डेटर है वो डेटर का अमाउंट बढ़ जाएगा. तो डेटर बोलेगा कि हमको डिक्रीज करो, मेरा इतना अमाउंट नहीं है, आप मेरा 12,000 लिखो जबकि मेरा ओनली 10,000 है. उस समय भी क्रेडिट नोट आएगा, डेटर का अकाउंट क्रेडिट करेंगे. And or some special discount is allowed to the customer because of defective good. यदि डिफेक्टिव गुड है उसके केस में हम उसको स्पेशल डिस्काउंट दे रहे हैं तो उस टाइम में भी आएगा. देन क्रेडिट नोट, द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द क्रेडिट नोट इज this is the format of credit note. Credit note number, credit note is serially numbered and dated. Then 525 Chandni Chowk, Delhi, dated 2nd July 2017. This is a party name. 2 New Furniture House, 802 Patel Nagar. This is the address. We are crediting your account with the value of undetermined goods returned by you for the reason stated below. आपने ओवर चार्ज कर दिया इस इनवॉइस को, इसलिए मैं आपके लिए क्या कर रहा हूं, क्रेडिट नोट ये कर रहा हूं. 50 रुपीज पर चेयर ऑन 20 चेयर 1000 फॉर फैशन फर्नीचर हाउस अनिल शर्मा मैनेजर. एंड ENOE मीन्स एरर एंड ओमिशन एक्सेप्टेड. दिस वर्ड रिड्यूस the liability, legal liability of the businessman. That's why in every document E and OE are written. Format of sales return book, the first column date. In first column we normally generally retain the date, and in second column पर्टिकुलर नेम ऑफ द कस्टमर और अकाउंट टू बी क्रेडिटेड. किस अकाउंट को हम क्रेडिट कर रहे हैं, ये क्रेडिट नोट का फॉर्मेट था. तो किस अकाउंट को हम क्रेडिट कर रहे हैं, क्रेडिट नोट नंबर देंगे, वो क्रेडिट नोट नंबर आपका लिखा रहेगा यहाँ पे, वो फिर लेजर फोलियो, इस पार्टी का अकाउंट किस लेजर पेज पे खुला हुआ है वो, फिर डिटेल रहेगी, जैसे ट्रेड डिस्काउंट है तो ट्रेड डिस्काउंट फिर माइनस हो जाएगा, और आउटपुट CGST आउटपुट SGST को फिर हम ऐड कर देते हैं, तो वो इसमें रहता है। IGST इंटर स्टेट ट्रांजेक्शन के लिए होता है, और टोटल अमाउंट। सो दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन, प्रिपेयर सेल्स रिटर्न बुक, प्रिपेयर सेल्स return book. In the books of Ramlal and Company, Hisar, Haryana, from the following transaction, assuming CGST at the rate of 6% and SGST at the rate of 6%. Goods returned by Ganga Prasad. Ganga Prasad ने goods return किया है, means Ganga Prasad was our debtor. Ganga Prasad and Company, Karnal. Karnal is a place which is situated in Haryana, and this is a intra-state transaction. Then CGST, IGST will CGST, SGST will be applicable. April 6, goods returned by Ganga Prasad and Company, Karnal, Haryana, one table fan at the rate of 6,000, less trade discount 15%. Syam Oil Mill, Yamunanagar, Haryana. This is also intra-state transaction, return defective goods value 40,000. Allowance allowed to Sanjay and Company, Faridabad, Haryana, on account of mistake in the invoice 2,500. So this is the solution. In this column, date 2018, first we will write the year, and after that month, and after that date. Ganga Prasad and Company, Karnal, Haryana, 6,000 in the column of detail. Credit note number and LF is not given in the question. You may write the any digit for the credit note number and LF, and it is not necessary to record it in the question paper and in the answer sheet. So add CGST 6% and SGST 6%. Output CGST 306 and 306 output SGST. Total amount is 5,712. 5,100 is the amount of the sales return, and 306 output CGST and 306 output SGST. Total amount 5,712. Syam Oil Mill, Yamunanagar, Haryana. In same way we will do, and 40,000, 2,400, 2,400. These are the amount of CGST and SGST, and 40,000 is the amount of sales return. And Sanjay and Company, Faridabad, Haryana, add CGST, SGST 66%, 150, 150, and this is also the total of sales return will be recorded entered in the sales return book, and total of the output CGST will be recorded in the output CGST, and total of the output SGST will be recorded in the output SGST. So this is the treatment of sales return book or return inward journal. Okay student, that's all for today. Thank you so much.